Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm Argentleo, and today we're going to be discussing a growth hack. I just need to make this disclaimer before we start. I am not a professional marketer. I am a YouTube creator. I created this channel so that I can keep track of hacks that work and hacks that don't work and take you guys on my journey towards success. So I hope you guys do use this information that I share with you in a responsible manner. We cannot take responsibility for losses that you may incur by how you use this information. So please use it responsibly. Let's get into today's fun. What hack I wanted to talk to you guys about today, and this hack I've tried already twice on my videos, and you can see at the bottom of the screen are all the channels that I'm currently running and trying to make a success of. So this hack involves you either deleting or privatizing videos so that the watch hours that have incurred on that, when you lose them, they don't cause a clawback on the watch hours that you've already gained for that year and actually count against you.
We are referring to the current 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours required to be eligible for monetization on YouTube.
So I've tried this hack twice. The first time I actually deleted videos, and the second time I've privatized videos. So what happened when I deleted and privatized videos was, and I noticed this on watch hours, is I actually lost those watch hours for that period that that video was active in that year and people watched it. And I observed that after the experiment was over and I returned that video to public, I didn't receive those watch hours again. Those watch hours were gone. So in a nutshell, by me removing that video from the public eye, it was just a bad idea. I didn't gain anything from it. And I mean, if you think about it logically, how would a clawback work? You're going to be uploading videos all the time, and obviously all the time your watch hours would change. And in order to get monetized, you will need to get a viral video or, build up those watch hours, have a popular channel, because 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, it's a tall order to do. And I'm positive that I'm going to reach that and monetize all my channels eventually, and hope you guys do join me on that journey, as I'm going to be conducting live experiments on this channel. So any growth hacks that I try out that work, I will let you guys know. Any growth hacks that I try that don't work, I will let you guys know on this channel. And the whole idea of me starting this channel isn't to discredit any of the gurus out there, because under certain circumstances certain hacks may work. I'm just telling you guys what my experience is, and I'm keeping a personal record for myself so that I can grow faster and not repeat mistakes. And if you guys follow my channel, then you can see what I've tried and what hasn't worked and how that can help you. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you do enjoy the content of this channel, watch the next video that appears on the screen, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everybody, and thank you for watching.